alopecia is tied to inflammation. And when there's inflammation around the bulb of the follicle, you are going to get disruption of hair growth. Hey, so what's going on? Super excited for this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. I am so glad you are here. I'm a cosmetic chemist specializing in natural hair care and the creator of Curly Chemistry. Will help you guys understand your hair and ingredients from a cosmetic chemist perspective. And I'll also help you guys start hair care lines as well. And today we are talking about ginger and how amazing it is for our hair and really how it helps to activate hair growth. Ginger is trending right now, and for good reason, because there are so many benefits to it. But in this video, I want to talk about how to incorporate it into your hair care regimen to start seeing some amazing growth by activating your hair growth pathways within your scalp. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, so number one, what exactly is ginger? Like, what is this thing that we're seeing in the store that's like laying across each other? Like what is this? So ginger is a rhizome. And a rhizome is a root or a stem that grows in the ground horizontally, and it actually shoots out leaves and plants. Now, the ginger that we see in the store is the actual rhizome, that root. And ginger has been used for hundreds of years to treat nausea, flu and cold-like symptoms, and of course you can use it as a spice in your food. Now here at Curly Chemistry, you guys know we focus on the performance of an ingredient, like what makes it what it is, that functional ingredient, the meat and potatoes, okay? So when it comes to ginger, the meat and potatoes, or the kale and the spinach for those who are vegetarians, is a phytochemical called gingerol. And gingerol is an organic compound produced naturally in ginger. And phytochemicals have the ability to activate and deactivate different mechanisms and pathways within our body to produce different results, such as hair growth. Now, when it comes to gingerol, there has been studies that have shown that ginger helps to improve circulation. And Curly Chemistry community, you guys know, blood is hair growth is blood. And a lot of times when our blood vessels are constricted due to stress and also a number of other conditions, this can constrict blood flow getting to the hair follicle to produce hair growth. But ginger, being known for opening up the blood vessels to increase the blood flow to the scalp, helps to increase hair growth. On top of that, ginger is known for being very anti-inflammatory, which is key here because a lot of scalp conditions and hair loss, such as alopecia, is tied to inflammation. And when there's inflammation around the bulb of the follicle, you are going to get disruption of hair growth, leading to thinning of the hair and also shrinkage of the follicle itself, which leads to hair loss. But when you have ginger, aka gingerol, that functional chemical ingredient within ginger, is going to act as an anti-inflammatory, aka removing that inflammation to help regulate your hair growth cycle. That was a mouthful. Hopefully that makes sense. What I still got to say is that ginger helps in two ways for the scalp and for hair growth: improving blood circulation and being anti-inflammatory. Now, let's talk about how to incorporate ginger effectively, okay, into your hair care regimen. So number one, you can do a ginger tea rinse. Yes, you can totally do this. So what you're gonna do is get some dry ginger or get some regular ginger tea, okay? Ginger tea, boom, at the store. And make some tea, you know, let it cool down. After you shampoo your hair on your wash day, apply this rinse to your scalp, mainly to, you know, the scalp of your scalp, and massage it in. Let that sit for at least 5 or 10 minutes, and then proceed to conditioning your hair, and then you can rinse it out, okay? This is gonna help tremendously because it's gonna be topical, direct application to the follicle. So take advantage of that. Number two, you can make ginger oil. All you need is a carrier oil and some dried ginger root. In my Curly Chemistry consultations for those who want to start hair care lines, I always say get the root, get the herb over the powder, because the powder can be kind of messy and you don't want no gritty oil, okay? So get some dry ginger root, about 2 tablespoons to maybe 2 cups of jojoba oil. Let that infuse. You can do that, you know, on low heat. or let that sit for a few weeks, strain off the root, and you're gonna have this beautiful ginger oil. You can use this topically on your scalp, or you can go ahead and just buy the oil yourself. Buy the ginger essential oil, and you can add that to your own concoction of, you know, oil for your scalp, and you'll be good to go. So that is really the 3 main ways to incorporate it into your regimen: a hair rinse, make the oil, or buy the oil. Alright guys, hope you have enjoyed this video and learned something new, and definitely, you know, start incorporating these things into your regimen, especially if hair growth is your goal, or you're trying to, you know, prevention of hair loss, because that's a thing too, especially as we get older and these hormones start changing, okay? So yes, of course, be sure to subscribe for more Pilly Chemistry content. Make sure notifications are on to stay in the loop. Be sure to like this video if you like this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I appreciate you guys. And of course, I have a question. In regards to these hair growth series, I really want to do more of these because I just want to get the truth out there and the science behind these things and how to use it effectively. So my question to you is, what ingredients should I do next pertaining to hair growth and the science behind it? Comment below, let me know, and I can join the conversation with you. And if you're interested in learning more about ingredients in the natural hair care industry and of course your hair, check out the Natural Hair Care Wisdom flashcards and the Curly Girls Guide to Hair Care Ingredients. I have the link below for you with more information. And if you're interested in starting a hair care line, no matter where you are in the world, you can work with me one-on-one, and I have a link below for you as well. All right guys, I love you, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.